Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Last time I made and posted fruity buns, that is buns with dry fruits. It was so delicious. So today I'm sharing with you how to make this fruity puff puff, that is puff puff with some dry fruits, and this came out even more delicious. So let me share with you how I made this. Keep watching. To make this, I'll start by dissolving two tablespoons of milk powder with half cup of water. We're going to use this to soak our raisins. I'm using warm water, lukewarm water. Then I'll add in half cup of raisins. We're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to activate our yeast. This I have here is active yeast, but it's been long I bought it. So for me to be sure that this yeast is still active, we have to do this to activate it. I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast. From the sugar I'll be using, I'll take a tablespoon of sugar. Then I'll add it 1 cup of water and dissolve. That dissolves the whole of this thing. It's not possible. Oh. I'll also cover this and set aside. We're going to leave this for about 10 minutes for it to activate. So next I'll be adding my flour. Mixing 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then the remaining of the sugar, I'm using half cup of sugar, which I've already removed 1 tablespoon for the yeast. I'll also be adding this milk flavor, vanilla milk flavor, but this is optional. We're not doing our yeast. So this is active. I had to use this nylon to hold it. You can see the bubble. So once you see that bubble, you know that the yeast is active. And I'll add the raisins. And half cup of water. So add the water gradually so that you don't overpower it with water.
순간 널 만나 참 다행인 거야. 매일 난 감사하죠. 그대가 곁에 있어서. 언제나 오늘 갓길기도 해요. 그대와 함께라는 건 영원한 축복 같아서. 오늘도 널 바라보며 웃는다. 내게 마지막 사랑이라면 항상 곁에 있을게. 다가가서 말을 할 거야. 널 사랑한다고. 언제까지나. 매일 난 감사하죠. 그대가 곁에 있어서. 언제나 오늘 곁길기도 해요. 그대와 함께라는 건 영원한 축복 같아서. 오늘도 널 바라보며 웃는다. 햇살이 너무 좋았어. 그냥 모두 좋았어. 널 만나서 모든 게 다. 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보고
Looking like Puffpuff with eyes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, come on. Thanks for watching.